Back in that hard rain summer, when the hillside started to slide, streets turned into rivers, stone had nowhere to hide. Mud on my boots at midnight, sifting through broken ground. First time I saw that fire in a abandoned little stone I found. LSA gates, I know where you come from the shore, from the storms, from the cold ancient drum. Every stripe, every scar tells a story I can't trace. You're holding more than a rock. You're holding this whole place. You're holding this whole place. Read the cliffs like pages, every layer, every scene. Walk the washouts at sunrise, chasing that quiet gleam. I can tell you how they traveled, how they tumbled, how they turned. How the river road is history in the colors that they burn. LSA gates, I know where you come from the shore, from the storms, from the cold ancient drum. Every stripe, every scar tells a story I can't trace. You're holding more than a rock. You're holding this whole place. Some folks see a pebble, I see 1,000 years laid out in tiny thunder clouds and reds and grays and clears. Oh, LSA gates, hey, I know where you come from the shore, from the storms, from the cold ancient drum. Every stripe, every scar tells a story I can't trace. You're buying more than a stone. You're taking home this place. Da 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 da.